Hello students, I'm Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as academic advisor in Masterminds from the past 20 years. In this small podcast, I would like to enlighten you the areas to be prepared in these last few hours of costing exam along with the order of revision. So you start your preparation for costing exam only after listening to this small podcast. Immediately after completion of law exam, please don't open the question paper. Please throw it away. Stop thinking about the law exam. So don't even inquire or discuss the answers with your friends. Remember, my dear students, even if you are able to recognize that you have committed some mistakes in some questions, what is the hell that you can change now? So don't spoil your mind with unnecessary discussions. You can discuss all such things after completion of all the exams, but not now. If you have not written the exam well, then come out of that bad mood and focus on the next exam. So remember, you can't change the result of the completed exam, but the result of the next exam will definitely be in your hands. Either you may score better marks in the subsequent papers, or you may at least score exemption range of marks in any of the further papers. Don't miss that golden opportunity. So if you feel that the law exam was easy, then be prepared to face a challenging paper in subsequent papers. Remember, at least one paper in each group will definitely be challenging. Never underestimate the importance of costing theory. So especially when the question paper is tough, then definitely costing theory will help you as a savior. So remember, my dear students, you start your preparation with costing theory. So finish the revision of all the chapters in costing theory and then only think of the problematic chapters. After completion of costing theory, here is the order which is ideal for best preparation. First, you refer all the problems given by us in our guest questions booklet. After that, refer all the problems given in RTPs and MTPs of this attempt as well as the previous attempt. And after that, you prepare all the problems given in the supplementary material. Of course, if you prepare the supplementary material, then it is not required to prepare RTPs and MTPs of the earlier attempt. So after that, you try to refer the mistakes committed by you in weekend and revision exams. Of course, if it is there, otherwise you can ignore this. After that, in each chapter, identify the most complicated and comprehensive problems in each model and refer the same. You first finish referring such problems in high weightage chapters and then think of the remaining chapters. Alternatively, while listening to the classes earlier, if you have underlined the important points in each problem and also highlighted its impact in the notebook, then you better revise all the problems in all the chapters. Yes, time will be sufficient because you are not referring the entire problem. If you have not done earlier, then it's better to follow the approach which I have stated just now. My dear students, in professional courses, it's highly risky to ignore a particular chapter or model completely. Better you at least refer guest questions, problems covered in the past exam papers, and most complicated and comprehensive problems in each of the model. If you get a tough question paper in costing, then definitely this will help you. In case of problematic papers, presentation plays a very vital role. So it is okay even if you attempt 80 marks, but never compromise with respect to presentation. If at all you get a tough question paper, then just relax and identify the areas where you are strong and at least attempt them. Never give up. Remember, examiner will never give a question paper in which you can't score minimum of 40 marks. It's guaranteed. So first start with costing theory. It will definitely boost up your confidence. And after that, start with small chapters and 5 marks problems and gradually go to the complicated chapters. And since the paper is tough, ICAI may even add few marks and valuation can be liberal. So it is very good even if you are able to attempt 70 to 80. So never dream of even attempting 100 marks. Even if you don't write the exam properly, then see that its impact does not fall on the subsequent exams. My dear students, if you really like this podcast, like it and share it with your friends. And we will do a similar podcast for every exam. If you are still worried about the exams, you can directly contact me on my mail ID mssprakash2012@gmail.com. Leave your feedback and suggestions to improve this podcast in the comment section. All the best.